João looked at his phone screen and felt a chill down his spine. His credit card bill had arrived, and the amount was terrifying. 8,000 Brazilian reals. He blinked several times, hoping there was a mistake. But there wasn't. It was real. His salary was 3,000 Brazilian reals, and there was no way he could pay for all of it. He started recalling his purchases over the past few months. Expensive restaurant dinners, branded clothes, subscriptions he barely used, a weekend trip that had seemed harmless at the time. Each purchase had seemed small on its own, but now the total was staring him in the face, screaming at him. His heart raced. He thought about paying only the minimum amount, but he vaguely remembered reading something about the abusive interest rates of revolving credit. A quick search confirmed his fears. He could end up paying more than double the original amount if he fell into that trap. Not knowing what else to do, he grabbed his phone and called Lucas, his best friend. Lucas had always been good with money, and maybe he could help. "Man, I've messed up. My credit card bill came in, and it's a disaster. There's no way I can pay it." Lucas was silent for a few seconds before answering. "João, the problem isn't the credit card. It's how you used it. But don't worry, I'll help you get out of this." The next day, João met Lucas at a cafe to talk. He was anxious but hopeful that his friend could offer a solution. Lucas